right, so this will be a quick 3D print video. And this one is on a watch stand for a Fossil smartwatch HR. Now, what I'll note is that originally this print was meant to be for a Apple Watch. It looked similar enough, so I printed it out. And I'll show you what I mean by that. Sorry. I'll show you what I mean by that. You'll see the hole there, and you'll see that the charger on this watch is fairly similar to the ones that are used on the iWatches, the Apple Watches. One thing to note for differences though, this one of course that I learned later on is a little bit thicker. So when I did try to put it into the display, I noted that it was a bit too thick, which ended up snapping the plastic a little bit. So in the future, if I do decide to print this again, I will make those adjustments in the slicer before printing. The next thing I would have changed for this print, of course, is since it's not, the model is for an Apple Watch, and the actual charging pins for this charger are horizontal are vertical versus being horizontal. I'm not actually able to display this watch uprightly, and it has to be charged vertically or horizontally. So I would also make the adjustment so that the wire would be horizontal, so that I could move this horizontally, so that I could easily charge this while it's vertical. So those are the adjustments I might make in a future print. Overall though, for a quality of print, I think it's fairly good. I don't remember how long it took to print this, but considering it's not for the model of watch that I have, I'd say that it's a fairly good print. And if I did use it on a iWatch, it probably would have been a fantastic print. All in all, I would say it worked fairly well. As you can see, this is the glue that I have. I have not wiped it off yet. If anyone has any comments or ideas on how to easily get glue off of your prints after you print, I'd love to hear from you. But yeah, other than that, it's a simple build, and that's all for me for today. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe.